Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you legendary Korean beef and radish soup, Soegogi Muguk. So, if you like our videos guys, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe, we are gonna need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 pieces of radish, 4 pieces of garlic, 2 chunks of meat with a little bit fat, 2 pieces of green onion. Then we are coming to our beloved spices, guys. So we are gonna use salt, black pepper, red pepper, and 2 pieces of daphne leaves, guys. So let's do it. So guys, let's start cooking. First of all, I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level and I'm gonna go ahead and start adding radish. All right, I've chopped radish in medium sizes, not thin. That's it guys, I'm gonna add that. Then I'm gonna add cold water, 7 cups guys. So this is first. And 7. So guys, at this stage what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add our chopped beef. As you see, I've got a little bit fat here. If you don't like fat, you can use the meat without fat. So all of them I'm gonna add. Before cutting beef, I usually wash it twice, for your information guys. Then guys, I have chopped the garlic. In total I've used 4 garlics. Also I'm gonna add that. Mix up our spices or salt, black pepper and red hot chili pepper. Just mix them well. And we can add it, all of it. Mix it up. Guys, I'm gonna also add 2 leaves of daphne. Make sure that they are soaked in water. Then we are gonna cook for 25 minutes in total our meat and a radish. So I'm gonna close the top of the pan because I don't have top of it. I'm gonna use the plate guys. You can use your top of the pot. Guys, it has been 5 minutes. Also at this stage I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Guys, if you don't want to use oil, you don't have to. I just feel like this way it's more tasty. Mix it up. Close the top of the pan. Guys, it has been 23 minutes since it's boiling. I'm gonna take out the plate and then I'm gonna add our freshly chopped green onions. And I'm gonna add it. Make sure to mix it. It's almost ready. And then for 2 minutes again, I'm gonna close the top of the pot. And in total, after 25 minutes, it will be ready. Guys, it has been in total 25 minutes. Now it's time to close the fire and open our pot. Oh God, it smells so good. Guys, this is how it looks in my tummy. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at it. Ooh, ooh. Guys, in my previous videos, I have shown you how to make Korean side dish. So this is cucumber and lettuce side dish near it, and it is served with this beef radish soup, guys. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy your meal. Let me know in the comments what is the best soup from Korean cuisine that you like, and I will let you know what is my favorite, guys. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice evening, and I'm gonna get going to eat this beef soup. Bye bye, guys.